Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Motorola Moto G41. Okay, first of all we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. It's part of the box. There you have another blue box in it, and in between the menus there should be a little card, this one here. And here we have the SIM ejection tool. Just move it like this. And yeah, otherwise you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, first of all you have to remove the case then. And if you have the phone then like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. In that SIM tray you're able to insert one SIM card, and if you want you can add also a second SIM card or a microSD card. So let's start. Take the first SIM card here, place it like this. So missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below. Yeah, and as I said, you can also insert a second SIM card. For that, you need the last position here. Place it carefully, nothing jumps out. Also, your missing corner on missing corner. It just fits like that. And yeah, the contacts are below. Okay. And you can have also a micro SD card if you want, but then you have to decide between a second SIM card or a micro SD card. Okay, let's remove here the second SIM card to have space for the micro SD. It is also here the last position, but it fulfills the complete one. So, has to look like this then. And as you can imagine, the contacts are below as well. Okay. Then, if you're ready with it, then just put your construction back into the phone, close it well, and that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.